Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Hogwarts Legacy game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to step to fix sound problem in Hogwarts Legacy game. So go to Windows settings, then click on system on the left, then click on sound, scroll down, click on more sound settings, then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and here select off option and then hit apply, OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit apply, OK, then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Hogwarts Legacy game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if any sounds play. Fix 3. These steps are for the users who are using the Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and then select more devices and printer setting. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply. Now check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Hogwarts Legacy game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.